Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to download and install the Azar mod menu completely free. This method works on both iOS and Android, and it unlocks all the best hacks, including unlimited gems and exclusive features you won't find in the standard version. As you can see on the screen, once you activate the Azar mod, you'll gain access to unlimited gems, premium options, and a variety of powerful features that enhance your gameplay experience. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, this mod menu is fully compatible and easy to set up. Before you begin, make sure your Azar app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is up to date, you're ready to continue. The next step is simple. Head over to the pinned comment below, where I've explained exactly how to access and install Azar++. Follow the instructions carefully, and you'll be able to enjoy unlimited gems and all the mod features right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.